Hey all, owner of Hamster's PC Repair here. I just wanted to inform you I just got a notice stating that there was services to be paid for, and I didn't authorize that to happen. You didn't contact me. You didn't ask me what you needed. You just decided to pay me for services without actually telling me what all you needed done. Well, that doesn't work. You contact me first. You not only contact me first, but yet speak to me and actually tell me what you need done. Payment only happens until once the job is complete, not before, for legality purposes. And whoever has done this, and I could backtrack it, but I don't got the time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that, as the YouTube video would say. But I'm not going to allow that. I'm not going to allow that. I'm not going to let anybody do that because basically, whoever's done this was either was trying to be nice and donate or whatever, or two, they are paying for services that I have no idea what they needed, or three, they were paying me money without telling me what they needed done. And in the process of not telling me of what they needed done, they were going to cause a legality lawsuit to be able to try to take me down, even though they didn't tell me what they needed. And I have enough messaging, both email and text messages, to tell me this. Now, honestly, I got a new phone recently, so I haven't got all the texting set up and whatnot correctly with signing in all the apps yet. So I didn't get the message on this, but I got the email, and it happened 10 minutes before I made it home because I was at a church event, and I didn't get home until 10 minutes after this happened. So whoever's done this, um, yeah, don't do it again. And anybody else that tries to do this, I'm sorry, but the ability to make payments and for store stuff is now taken complete has is now 100% offline. You are not going to be able to access the store. You want I thought I'd be nice enough to try to do so and allow that to happen like that, but clearly I can't trust people. I try to be nice. I try to make things easy and respectable with the people who have no money, and whoever's done this has abused the ability to for everyone else. Whoever's done this was doing one of three things, and it was probably a legality issue. Which if it was taken to court, they wouldn't have won anyways because I get enough notifications about everything that if you didn't message me, you didn't call me on the phone, you didn't tell me what you needed, and you just paid me money and tried to sue me. Trust me, I can get my phone records, I can get everything like that if I need to, and you won't get away with it. You can try to sue me, but then I will make sure that whenever I have my lawyer, defend me and get all the information to show that there was no messages whatsoever transpired between you and me, I will turn around and sue you. That doesn't fly with me. But to so I don't be an ass like that because somebody had to be like that. I'm going to remove the ability for payments, and payment options will be given upon after talking to me. Payment options will be given in such a way after the uh, after the service is done and paid for. Whoever it was tried to pay by card and clearly didn't use my Cash App or PayPal, which because clearly they just tried the store option and clearly didn't make it as far as the services and prices page. But by the time, be honest with you, by the time they probably even get to see this video, I will have not only removed the store option, but I will also have removed the text involving payment options. I mean, I will leave the options of what is available right now, but I'm going to remove the links. I'm going to remove the actual at handle. There will be no way you'll be able to pay for any kind of services whatsoever without me knowing about it. I mean, I'll still get notified, but you're not going to pay for services that I don't know what you want. It doesn't fly like that. It doesn't work like that. So you know what? Talk to me or don't use my service. When it comes to a tech repair company, whether you're doing website design or whatever, you gotta talk. You gotta call me. Use that phone number and call me. Because I will not, under any circumstance, allow payments be done before a service is done. If I don't know what I'm being paid for, then you're not going to get service and you will get a refund guaranteed. I can promise you that. You either talk to me or you get your money back. That's enough said. I wasted 6 minutes on being irritated at this, making this video that I thought I'd never have to do because I thought I could trust people. Stupid me for having more faith in people than anything. I still have faith in people over actions, but I try to be nice for everyone involved to make everyone's lives easier. And the moment somebody abuses that power like that, guess what? Restrictions in place, and everyone else has to suffer because of somebody's stupidity. Just glad that I actually didn't set that up yet, but they were stupid and didn't see the actual options on the other page. So I never got any money from anywhere, which in a way is good because it just yeah I'm not gonna deal with that. If you want me to respect you, respect me, and don't try to scam me or cause a legal problem. It doesn't fly like that. I will have your hide far sooner than you have mine. I'm autistic. I ain't stupid.